Welcome. Today we are going to talk about public speaking again. And in public speaking, we are going to discuss techniques for getting attention of audience. Yes, in last lecture, we talked about the different audience has different time span for attention. They lose attention after specific time. So what should we do? Yes, today we are going to learn how are we going to attract them again. Of discussion again. Let's see what we have. First, you can use visual aids. These are different illustrations which can display different facts and figures. You can use graphs, you can use pictures, use charts, tables, and videos. Remember, whenever you are going to use visual aids, remember, use them appropriately. There should not be a torrent of visual aids that people only look at your visual aids and they don't listen what you are saying. Use visual aids, but with appropriate way. And remember, if you have any visual aids, you should have at least 90-second discussions on that visual aid. We move to the next one. Humor. Yes, you can use some humor to get attraction or attention of your audience. You can tell jokes, but remember, again, appropriateness is very important. It is a key to your success. Remember, when you are telling joke, it should be relevant to your topic. Secondly, whenever you are using joke, telling joke, it should not be hurting anyone's feelings. It should not be focusing on any kind of discrimination. It should not be ridiculing anyone. It should not be humiliating anyone. So remember, joke means to entertain others, but not to hurt others. And never ever use jokes excessively. Choose the point and tell the joke. Next one is anecdotes. Yes, you can also use anecdotes, different stories to attract your audience. But remember, again, story should not be very long that the audience starts sleeping, and tell the story in a way that is attractive and audience will be attracted towards you. And remember, appropriateness is very necessary. After that, you can also use examples. Like if you are talking about certain topic can be explained with the help of different examples. You can tell different examples. Like in this picture, we find 4 or 5 different things. Let's suppose you are talking about how people invest or where people invest their money. Yes, they invest money in banks, they keep account, and they also buy dollars or foreign currency. They invest in gold, or even they invest in stock exchange. So with the help of different examples, you can also get attraction of your audience. Let's see what we have next. Suspense. Yes, suspense is important part of everyone's life. Everyone, or at least most of the people, like suspense. So you can create suspense by using your specific words or your intonation. So let's see what you can have. You can use verbal techniques like you can use, now listen carefully to what I'm about to say. Or did you catch that? Or you can say, don't go anywhere. In next 5 minutes, you are going to learn how to become successful in your life. And those 5 minutes will be the most precious time of your life. It can change your life, right? So next one is personal references. You can also talk about your personal experiences. So tell about your real life experience. Like you are talking about doing experiments, so you can also tell your audience about what you used to do in your school, how you used to do different experiments. All right. Then quotations. Quotations have a very positive impact on your audience. So choose the best quotation relevant to your topic. Like here, the best way to predict the future is to create it. It is an anonymous one, but remember, when you are quoting someone, if you're quoting for someone's book, like if you are quoting from holy books like Quran or like Gita or like Bible, so you should give the reference. Remember, quotation without a reference means it's nothing. It can be challenged. So, to authenticate your quotation, always give a reference. See what we have. Yes, poetry. People love poetry. People love verses. So, the words are lovely, dark and deep. But I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. I've read verses of Robert Frost. So, use a relevant poetry and tell it in amusing way. Next one, last one is action. Yes, you can call different people, or you can ask or request different people to perform in front of audience. You can call even audience to come and perform. And even remember, if you have nothing to show, so what you can do, if you see that audience is not giving attention towards you, what you can do, you can ask them different questions. Ask questions